In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Janitor AI generation settings for better results. We'll walk through where to find the settings and how to tune them so your chats feel more natural, more creative, and more consistent with the character you picked. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type Janitor AI, then click through to the official site. Once you're in, pick a character you want to chat with. Choose one that matches the vibe you're going for, whether that's casual banter, storytelling, or something more informative, because the right settings will amplify that style. Before you begin, make sure you select the limitless option on the character page if it's available. This ensures you're using the expanded generation options provided by the platform. Now start a chat with your chosen character so we can adjust the behavior in context. Look for the menu icon, those three horizontal lines, and open it. From there, select Generation Settings. This is where the magic happens. We'll begin with a balanced, widely used baseline, and then fine-tune. First, adjust temperature to somewhere between 0.7 and 0.9. Temperature controls creativity and randomness. Lower values make replies more focused and predictable. Higher values make them more imaginative. A great middle ground is 0.8 for lively but coherent responses. Next, open Advanced Settings. Set Top K between 40 and 80. Top K limits how many word choices the model considers at each step. A value like 60 keeps the writing varied without drifting off topic. Then set Top P between 0.85 and 0.95. This is nucleus sampling, which narrows choices to the most likely words that cumulatively hit that probability. Try 0.9 for a natural, flowing style that still takes creative turns. Now tune repetition controls. Set repetition penalty between 1.05 and 1.2. This gently discourages the model from echoing phrases. Around 1.1 is a sweet spot, firm enough to cut loops, but not so strong that it flattens the voice. Set frequency penalty between 0.2 and 0.6 to reduce overused terms across the conversation. A balanced starting point is 0.4, which curbs redundancy while preserving key details. When you're done, click Save Settings. Send a few messages to test the feel. If replies seem too safe, nudge temperature up or Top K slightly higher. If things get rambly, pull temperature down or bring Top P a notch lower. Tweak one slider at a time and give the model a couple of turns to settle. That's it. Simple, effective tuning for better Janitor AI results. Happy chatting and enjoy the upgraded conversations.